it 80.
Welcome to How to Make Beats Like the Pros, in which I, Andrew Rapier, will guide you through the process of how industry professionals develop beats. I've had the pleasure to work with numerous professionals and artists such as 808 Mafia, Atlantic Records, and Winter Circle Productions, and many more. This course was designed to help learning producers understand what they can do to obtain professional sounding production. By the end of this course, you will have first-hand knowledge of the steps needed to progress to that industry sound. We will be using FL Studio and various third-party plugins that current industry professionals are using. The content and ideas we cover can be applied to different software and plugins. It isn't necessary to have the exact same software we use, but it is highly recommended. We will be covering styles such as trap and dirty south, as well as sample-based beats and many other styles.
Beat it 80.
Learn more about this course in the description below. I can't wait to help guide you in your music production career.